Question number 28. It says two identical point charges are moving in free space when they are 60 centimeter apart. Their velocity vectors are equal in modulus and make 45 degrees from the line joining as shown in this figure. If at this instant their total kinetic energy equals their potential energy, then what is going to be the closest approach distance between these two particles? So let's consider this is the initial situation and R0 is the initial separation, which is basically 60 centimeter. And these velocities, they are V0, making angle 45 from the horizontal or the line joining the two. We can have a components, horizontal component, vertical component. You will find the vertical components and horizontal components magnitude wise going to be identical. Now, these horizontal component, the component that is along the line joining, they are going to reduce the separation. Since they are charged particles, so there's going to be repulsive forces as well, because they are identical charges. So this separation is going to reduce only up to a particular value. And let's say this is the figure when the separation between them is minimum. So let's say this is small r is the least separation. When they are at the least separation, then these velocities, that means velocity of approach, is going to be 0. So velocities that it is going to retain is only the velocities which is perpendicular to the line joining the two particles. So this is going to be the final situation. This is initial situation, and we need to talk about what this small r is. So we can use mechanical energy conservation, because here the forces is this is only force that is electrostatic, which is conservative in nature. So you can say kinetic plus potential initially must be equal to kinetic plus potential finally. Initial kinetic energy, initially it says kinetic energy and potential energies are identical. So since kinetic energy and potential energies are identical, so we can say potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. That means kinetic plus kinetic, that means 2 times kinetic, or maybe 2 times potential. Since distance is known to us, so writing potential is going to be easy. So we can say this is 2 times kinetic or 2 times potential. So it's 2 times potential energy, which is kq square upon r0, is equal to, we need to write about kinetic energy finally. So finally kinetic energy will have these velocities. So it's like half mv square. In place of v, we are going to write v0 sine 45 square. This is kinetic energy of one particle, multiplying by 2, that is total kinetic energy, plus potential energy, that is going to be kq divided by r, that means kq square upon r. From here we need to find r. Now here this velocity term is involved, whereas rest term there they have kq square term. So we can relate this velocity and with kq square, using the concern that initially kinetic and potential were identical. Initial kinetic energy is going to be half mv0 square of one particle and multiplying by 2, that is of two particles. That's total kinetic energy, is equal to potential, which is kq square upon 2 r0. Now from here you will find half mv0 square comes out to be kq square upon 2 r0. Now if you look at this expression which was troubling us, this is basically a half mv0 square, and the sine square 45 will become 1 by 2, and then this is 2, so 2 and 2 getting cancelled out. So basically this entire term is written half mv0 square, which can be replaced as kq square upon 2 r0. So this term is kq square upon 2 r0. This is as such, this is as such. Now when you write this and then you see kq square can be cancelled out, which leads to 2 upon r0 is equal to 1 upon 2 r0 plus 1 upon r. Now r0 is known to us, r has to be found out. This is simple equation. So from here 1 upon r can be written as, take this term this side, so it's 2 minus half, that is 3 by 2 r0. Upside down, that means small r is equal to 2 r0 by 3. Now r0 was given to us, which is 60 centimeter, yes. So it's like 2 by 3 of 60, which comes out to 40 centimeter. That means the closest separation is going to be 40 centimeter. These particles will not come any closer than 40 centimeter. And after this situation, they will be separating, because this electrostatic repulsion is going to bring velocities in opposite directions, outward directions, so they will be separating then onwards. So minimum separation is 40 centimeter, hence C option is going to be perfectly okay. Thank you.